back with a New York Times bestselling author. This is an assignment. This is Jenny Mollen.
Hi,
and I am eating, I don't know what, fruit with skin, dried fruit with its skin.
Persimmon.
Fried, not fried. Whoops, that would be my segment. Dried fruit with the skin on to get all the nutrients, I imagine. And it's a company called Rind.
Yeah.
Clever.
Yeah. I'm really into that.
And you're obsessed with this snack.
I'm obsessed with this snack. I love a dried persimmon. Who knew? It's so good. I mean,
I've never had a dried persimmon. It's good.
Right? And I think having the skin on, I don't know, you just feel better about yourself. You're like, I'm actually getting all of the vitamins that I'm supposed to be getting from this fruit. Kiwi skin isn't bad. I've never been into a kiwi because it's like too much effort to get to the fruit.
Yeah.
Now, I like an apple. It's amazing.
I only like underripe fruit, so I can probably
You'll be into
pretty
this.
deep.
You'll be into this.
That's delicious.
And it makes you very regular, I will add. It does. It does.
Thanks for sharing. Good to know it's all good down there.
It's all moving.
It's all moving.
I mean, these you don't like. You're not as big
all
of
right,
a fan.
this I tried over the break, and I'm like, I love anything dark green. I love dark leafy greens. I liked Carol before Carol was cool. And she said these are like vitamin bites.
Yeah.
And I'm like, well, I took my vitamins today, but why not have some more? Popped one in my mouth, and I'm like, delicious, delicious, delicious. Halfway through, I'm like, soap, soap, soap.
Something happened
I did Tom Hanks in Big. That thing where you're like, I did that thing.
It's true.
So, what are the health benefits of this versus that? Like, what are the dark leafy, you know,
well,
like,
if
this was in a bottle and it was a bottle of vitamins, what would the promise on the bottle be?
I think this is healthy skin, nails. This has the spirulina, you know, all of the sea minerals, the ashwagandha, all of the new agey type of things that help us.
And to keep your digestive tract balanced, I would imagine.
Yes, and also to keep us as young as possible.
Oh, well, so I may rethink these.
So let's just, like, have a bottle.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Let's just have the bottle.
Yeah.
Now, sometimes today is a good day. We get a smattering of men in here, like a half a dozen or so, right?
Okay.
But there is a very good-looking man in the middle of our stage.
Yes.
What is his name? Is Hunter? Hi,
This is Hunter Krein.
Shall we go over and say?
Yes.
You go on the inside because I don't know what Hunter's doing.
That's good. How are you doing, Rachael? It's so nice to meet you.
How are you? So, Hunter, I've never heard of Performix House in Union Square. What is Performix House?
So it's a gym. I'm on a team of 3 physical therapists within Performix House.
Oh, cool.
And so I actually train the people that we take in. So with Jenny, she wants to play with her kids and be able to run.
Yeah.
And so we were able to come up with a program to help strengthen her for the long term.
What are you guys doing here?
All right.
So, should we do sideways?
So I would say, like, the core function is probably one of the most important things.
Building your core, core strength.
Building your core, how the rest of the body is going to work. So
especially after kids, you got to figure out where your core went.
I got a pit bull, so I'm good there.
All right, you can toss that one back.
Okay.
We'll just
okay.
So put the feet up.
Amazing.
All right.
So this is building your core strength.
Yes.
How heavy are your med balls here? Oh, this is light.
Yeah, so I brought a light one just because, like you said, everybody tries to push heavy weights on people. And so we like to take people in and see where they're at and then build from there.
How many times a week do you train?
2 to 3.
2 to 3.
And that's.
I was going to lie to you guys, but he answered.
Because I feel like people that go for 5 or 6, it's not an achievable goal for most people.
Right, yeah. I mean, everybody needs to start with what they have. So if it's a 10-minute walk a day in the beginning, right, you need to set manageable goals and then work up to what you can handle.
Well, actually, this was fun, except for that green thing, Jenny. But, of course, check out Parents Magazine.
Yes.
Yes. And thank you to Hunter.